Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about why emergency funds matter. Let's get into the video. Life is unpredictable. No matter how well you plan, unexpected expenses can arise at any time. Medical bills, car repairs, job loss, or sudden home maintenance issues. These financial surprises can quickly create stress and instability if you are not prepared. That's where an emergency fund comes in. An emergency fund is a dedicated saving reserves designed to cover unforeseen expenses, and it plays a critical role in maintaining financial security. Understanding why emergency funds matter can help you prioritize saving and protect your financial future. Provides financial security. One of the most important reasons to have an emergency fund is the sense of security it provides. Knowing that you have money set aside for unexpected situations reduces anxiety and allows you to handle challenges with confidence. Without an emergency fund, even a small financial setback can feel overwhelming. With one in place, you gain peace of mind knowing you can manage life surprises without disrupting your entire financial plan. Prevent debt accumulation. When emergencies happen and there is no savings to cover them, many people turn to credit cards or loans. While borrowing may solve the immediate problem, it often leads to long term debt due to interest and repayment obligations. An emergency fund acts as a buffer, allowing you to pay for unexpected expenses without relying on credit. This helps you avoid high interest debt and keeps your financial situation stable. Protects your long term goals. Your financial goals, such as buying a home, investing, or saving for retirement, require consistency and discipline. Unexpected expenses can derail those plans if you are forced to dip into your long term savings. An emergency fund protects these goals by serving as a separate financial cushion instead of withdrawing from investments or retirement accounts. You can use your emergency savings to handle short term challenges. Support you during income loss. Job loss or reduced income is one of the most serious financial emergencies. Without a steady paycheck, it can be difficult to cover basic living expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. An emergency fund provides a safety net during these periods, giving you time to find new employment or stabilize your income without making rushed or stressful decisions. Encourages better financial habit. Building an emergency fund requires discipline, planning, and consistency. These habits often carry over into other areas of your financial life. When you commit to saving regularly, you become more aware of your spending, more intentional with your money, and better prepared to manage your finances overall. Over time, this leads to improved financial confidence and control. Reduces financial stress. Money related stress is one of the most common sources of anxiety. Unexpected expenses can create panic, especially when there are no funds available to cover them. Having an emergency fund helps reduce this stress. Instead of worrying about how to pay for a sudden expense, you can focus on solving the problem itself. This emotional relief is just as valuable as the financial protection the fund provides. Gives you flexibility and freedom. An emergency fund gives you the freedom to make better decisions during difficult times. For example, if you're unhappy with your job or facing a toxic work environment, having savings allow you to live without immediate financial pressure. Similarly, if a family emergency arises, you can take time off or travel without worrying about how you will cover the costs. This flexibility can greatly improve your quality of life. How much should you save? Financial experts typically recommend saving 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses in an emergency fund. However, this can vary depending on your situation, such as job stability, income level, and family responsibilities. If the amount feels overwhelming, start small. Even saving 500 or $1,000 can make a significant difference. The key is to build your fund gradually over time. Where to keep your emergency fund? Your emergency fund should be easily accessible but separate from your everyday spending account. Many people choose a high yield saving accounts, which allows the money to grow slightly while remaining available when needed. Avoid investing your emergency fund in the stocks or other volatile assets as the value may fluctuate when you need the money most. How to build an emergency fund? Build an emergency fund does not happen overnight, but consistent effort makes it achievable. Here are a few simple strategies. Automate transfers to your saving accounts. Save a portion of each paycheck. Use tax refunds or bonuses to boost your fund. Reduce unnecessary expenses and redirect the savings. Set small, achievable milestones. Consistency is more important than the amount you save at any given time. My final thoughts on this is an emergency fund are a foundational part of financial stability. They protect you from unexpected expenses, reduces stress, and help you avoid debt while keeping your long-term goals intact. In a world full of uncertainty, having an emergency fund gives you control over your financial future. It allows you to face challenges with confidence and make decisions from a place of security rather than fear. No matter where you are in your financial journey, building an emergency fund is one of the smartest and most empowering steps you can take. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.